Welcome once again. Let's talk about LUNC, and of course, recently we are hearing big whales are planning to buy LUNC in millions. Big whales are planning to buy LUNC worth of almost $20 million. Wow! If big whales, maybe blue whales or 0073, maybe blue whales or other whales. But one thing is for sure, all we want to see is big investors coming in. We want to see big buyers buying LUNC coins because it's going to benefit us in the area of market cap, pushing this coin, and in the area of burning. Now, whales are one of the biggest crypto investors in the world. Different whales, they can buy millions of dollars worth of coins, and they also help push such coins to get balance. You remember what? Right now, whales are buying millions of dollars worth of Shiba Inu. Over almost 99 billion coins of Shiba Inu has been bought and invested by whales. Blue whales 0073. Okay, so for me, I think this is a huge investment. So if they can come to Terra Classic, right now I've heard that they are planning to. And I want to see this happen because it is going to benefit Terra Classic this period that LUNC is experiencing a fall in price. This period, LUNC really need something different, huge support. This investment is going to help Terra Classic to really grow. And thank God, according to what we heard, that they will be doing this using Binance and using Kucoin. And I think Binance and Kucoin, yes. I love the fact that Binance is among the exchanges they are planning to use to buy this huge amount. If that comes to be true, if that happens, I'll be happy. And this is what with the area of Kucoin is good, but remember why we prefer Binance is because Binance will definitely burn. If they can buy $20 million worth of LUNC on Binance, imagine how much Binance will be burning in the next burn. So, whales, I'm happy to see they are showing interest on LUNC, and I hope they continue showing more interest on Terra Classic token because these guys can help LUNC to hit 1 cent quick. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.